when I started the process early on as well, I want to add that, I was definitely working out and just thinking that if I worked out, I can still eat what I wanted. And, nothing would necessarily happen because I'm still working out. But that wasn't the case. The weight was, not necessarily falling. I wasn't gaining weight, but the weight wasn't moving. I did see for a while the weight, sort of be stagnant. I couldn't get out the 300s, the early low 300s. I was stuck there most of 2020 and a little bit of 2021, because I had lost 30 pounds, in the beginning of, the process. From August to October, I had lost 25 to 30 pounds. And weight was still falling off and I was still sort of losing weight, but I went from, 365 to 332 the first 3 months. I remember just being, so, pleased that I was losing the weight that I was losing, but it was still obvious I was over 300 pounds and I was still big and, I still saw it, but, I still kept being focused. I still kept, working out, and I still kept on with the process of really trying to transform myself. And I told myself that if, within a year I can really see a difference. And it's definitely been a journey. I started in September of 2019 when I was very just displeased with myself and how I looked. I knew I wanted to make a change for myself. So, I started hitting the gym. I wasn't eating healthy, but I was definitely just hitting the gym, being consistent. And then 2020 hit, and so I had to be really creative with, my workouts and do a lot of stuff at home. So it was, definitely challenging, but I still made sure I was committed to, getting fit and getting healthy. In 2021, we were able to get back into the gym. So I started working out more at the gym than at home. And so I started to really start seeing a difference again. And then as of recently, my body really started transforming into ways I was really satisfied with. And I still got ways to go. So yeah, I just bought me some snacks for like when I finish working out. Just some stuff for now. This is going to be more I'm going to purchase. Going to be give me some more nuts and stuff like that. Just some Nature Valley granola bars, and I want to try this out. Nature's Bakery Big Bar. Never had it, but it sounded real healthy, full of protein and grains. Read the nutritional value of each of these. When I realized, early on around May of 2021, I had to realize that eating is the problem. I'm not seeing the numbers drop the way I want them to. I was still 290, 280, 287, 292, then 287. Then I finally went to 283, then to 280. And then I went back up to 287. And so May of 2021, a revelation just struck, like, I need to really take eating seriously. So June, July, and August, June and July, I want to say I still was eating better. I was definitely eating better, but I was still eating what I wanted a little bit and still drinking. But August, I really tuned all it out. I wasn't drinking at all, so that was, out the picture. I already had started with giving up junk food because I have an obsession with a bag of chips, especially hot chips. I love me some hot chips, but I had to cut it out because everything was matching up now. The numbers just start dropping. And, it was a great feeling, when I started realizing that, I'm really seeing a change. I was seeing a change here and there. My pant size was definitely dropping throughout the time. Not to say I wasn't losing weight. I was gaining muscle, losing weight, but I was also maintaining weight, and weight wasn't really falling off. Now every time I go on the scale, maybe after 2 weeks of, just doing what I'm supposed to do, I always see 5 pounds or 6 pounds lost. All right, so we are headed to the gym. It's Monday, so you know what that means. That means it's chest and ab day. So I'm excited for this ab and chest day. I'm gonna try to do 30 minutes of cardio because I didn't do cardio yesterday. So we're gonna have to, put in a lot of work today. So I don't intend to be in the gym too long today, but yeah, let's break a sweat. All right, so we're leaving the gym. That was definitely a go hard session. Did about 22 minutes on the treadmill. Did about 65, 70 minutes of strength training. Did some abs, did some chest. Got a little back too. So it was definitely a fulfilling workout. And now I'm headed home to go eat something and relax because I earned it. But that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Let me not even lie to you and say I don't eat me, Harold's chicken dinner, 6 peas with lemon pepper and the mild sauce plastered all over it. I'm not gonna even sit up here and give you that little lie. It's the audacity for me, okay? I am definitely still getting, those bad foods, those least healthy, not healthy, those really big dinners. Everyone knows me for getting a little 6-piece with lemon pepper. So a chicken dinner, as they like to, tease me. My friends like to tease me. But, I don't eat as much chicken dinners as I am known for anymore. Now you'll see me a lot in sweet greens. Those sweet greens sees my money. It owns my bank account. That's all you see in the transactions. I literally that's all I eat. And I try to meal prep. Things do get busy, and I'm trying to hustle and still work out and find time to do the things that I enjoy doing with everything else. But finding time to meal prep is a challenge for me, but I still want to get into it because it's nice to have your meals already prepared without worrying about what you're going to eat for lunch day by day. But meal prepping is the way to go. So like I said, 80%, that's what it takes. 80% is the eating, 20% is the working out. And because now that I'm consistent with both, man, it feels good. I'm not gonna lie, it feels good. This is the hot chicken, 1-4 chicken, the Caesar salad. I believe this chicken was about 360 calories. I have to double check the nutritional value for the chicken. I usually try not to eat both of them, but I'm being badass today, so yeah, eating both. And then the Caesar salad is about 180 calories. So, in total it should be about 600 calories. Not too much, just right. Just burn 1,100 calories. Already burned 600 within the day. So I can definitely eat this and not feel bad. So let's get it in. Now and then I like to sort of like I said, challenge myself and push myself to do new things, to sort of like really challenge my body to, go above and beyond. And so, the best way to really like transform your body and to really lose weight and shed weight is to shock your body here and there every now and then by doing certain things and changing certain habits. And so I didn't want to be too habitual with the workout that I usually do for leg days. So I'm gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna try to record myself doing those workouts. If not, hey, I still went, and it's still leg day. Never miss leg day. That's important. Never miss leg day. The last weigh-in I was about 265, so now I'm 263 this time and losing another 2 pounds. I'm currently about to be 260, so just working hard and doing what I gotta do to make sure I get to my goal weight of 220.